Hello everyone, this is Andrew from Tech Talk. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your payment info on Netflix. This continues our series on Netflix tech tutorials, so if you have any other questions about Netflix, make sure to check out all of our other videos on Tech Talk. The first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to log into your Netflix account. So once you're logged in, you're going to scroll over to this icon and you're going to select Account. You're going to scroll down and you'll see that it has your payment info. You're going to hit Update Payment Info. Once you've hit Update Payment Info, you can select Switch Payment Info, or you can just put in a brand new number and update it there. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and hit that like button. Also, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our other videos on Tech Talk. Thanks and have a great day.